Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add voiceover to your video on CapCut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC and I'm going to add voiceover to this video. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this microphone button. Then you can start recording your voiceover right here. You can tap on this button to start your recording. Okay, and just wait guys. And I'm going to record my voiceover right here for you guys. And if you want to stop, you just need to click on this button. Okay, and this is the voiceover that I have just recorded. And we can play it. And I'm going to record my voiceover right here for you guys. Okay, and if you want to edit your voiceover, you can click on this editing tools. You can add fade in or fade out effect, and you can also add voice changer to your voiceover. You can also change the speed, and it's up to you. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can add a voiceover to our video on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.